We are at the Mojo Chess Extravaganza doing the Mojo Chess experience for obviously the players, parents, and obviously administrators of chess, everyone that is who and who in chess. And I was speaking to Hannes, the president of Sedibeng Chess. Hannes, welcome.
Hi, Eddie. Nice to be here. Yeah.
Of course, yes. You are here. Obviously, did you bring players? Did you bring, were you here to play or were you just to experience the Mojo?
Yeah. So first of all, I'm a parent. So my boy is playing in the C section, Gunther Mittermeier. Doing better than the closed. He was at the closed in the Western Cape, so this one is better. And then I'm here as president of Sedibeng Chess. So we've got between 10 and 15 players from Sedibeng.
Nice.
So Sedibeng is South Gauteng, the old Val Triangle. So we're one of the 5 regions of Gauteng. Up and coming region. What's this region? We're gonna give them some carrots if there's like this.
Of course.
So we're doing well. Yeah.
So what brings you to the Mojo Chess Extravaganza? What is the reason why you
Well,
actually
this
have
is
to
our
play?
first one. Yeah. So for me and for my boy. So obviously the exposure, not only South African players but also African players, the other African countries, and then there's some overseas countries as well. So exposure, networking, very important. And then the prize money. This is the biggest one we've attended. So yeah, we try to have
So is there something that you are taking back to Sedibeng that you've actually seen, learned, experienced here at the Mojo Extravaganza?
Definitely. So networking, very important. So we made a Sedibeng group here, and we analyzed the games afterwards, and some of the other players and opponents joined us, and we analyzed and we learned. So we have this motto: you either win some or you learn some. So we never lose. You know, if you don't learn, then you lose. But you always learn something from your game. So networking, very important, and analyzing with the opponent.
Of course. Now, as president of Sedibeng Chess, what is the one thing that you feel is your biggest mission in your role?
Well, definitely. So between 10 and 15 players this year. Next year, we're going to bring more players. Definitely give them this exposure because we're used to the Sedibeng region tournaments, you know, and some other regions tournaments in Gauteng. But this is great exposure. So definitely more players next year. And then also we've made some contact with Anzel, who presented the feeder course on preparing of the teacher course. So we had 2 of our Sedibeng officials attending the course. Whatever they've learned there, we're going to take back to Sedibeng and coach now the teachers in Sedibeng, the school teachers.
That's actually a part of development. We're exactly glad to hear that. Any more? Do you have any message to the chess community, obviously, as a president?
Definitely. Definitely. So for Sedibeng Chess, we're very involved with the township chess. So Sharpeville, Sebokeng, Everton. One of our arbiters, Fikile Kumale, also did now the feeder arbiter course. And he's very active in promoting Everton chess. And then for the bigger Sedibeng chess, keep the momentum. We're going upwards, and the interregion Gauteng, here we come, Tshwane and Joburg Metro, we're coming for you.
Awesome. All the best with, obviously, I'm hoping that you had a great experience here. And all the best, obviously, with your region as well. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, Eddie. Appreciate it.
Thank you.